Hi, I'm Caitlin. This is my mom, Leanne, and we are with the Whole Country Caboodle. And have you ever wondered what to do with border stripes? I mean, they're so stinking cute. But then it's like, oh, I don't have enough to go around a quilt. What do I do with this? Well, we have just the pattern for you. It's our border stripe bags. So this is the border stripe from our 2x2 group. Super fun. It's like, what can I do with this? Well, Mom, what can they do with it?
Well, we have tons of projects. Let's start with this one right here we actually call this the Tailgate Tote. And this is using our little sports group. And it's just a simple little bag. It's got a couple of ways of carrying it. It's got a crossbody strap. It's also got just handles. Let me just tell you something. You show up to a sporting event with this, you're going to be the envy.
Yes, want one.
Yes.
But because the bag's so big, you need a little accessory tote to go inside. So again, the inside also has border stripe, just using it everywhere.
And you don't, like Caitlin said, you don't have to have huge pieces.
Yeah.
A half to 2/3 of a yard will do, one of these bags.
Yep.
So that's the cool thing about it.
This bag is using our Hat on a Cat collection that we had. This is our little round bucket. I mean, you could put anything in here. You could put a little plant in here.
Absolutely.
You can put candy in there, cookies, give it as a gift.
Do it with the handle or without the handle. We have our little water bottle carrier.
Water bottle, wine,
juice, whatever you prefer. But we also have a strap on it so you could throw it across your shoulder. This kind of handles just a regular size water bottle. This is the one that I have in there. And super, super cute. Just not very much
This
fabric.
was with our greatest gift fabric line.
Yep.
So again, we're just going through our scraps. We're pulling them out and we're making cute bags with them. And the last bag
it's
is
Aurorable.
And I would like you to say this 5 times fast. Toy Tote. It's going to be like, you remember when you used to say toy boat as the tongue twister?
Yep.
Toy Tote, Toy Tote, Toy Tote, Toy Tote.
Hey, you're doing well.
Toy Tote.
I get really twisted.
Anyways,
yeah.
The Aurorable Toy Tote. So think about this in your house, in a kid's room. Throw all the little blocks in here. You can go on a picnic. Or you can just put your picnic stuff in here too. Super cute. We have the button on the front. We used a fun
alphabet
print on the inside.
Yep.
Just perfect. We're excited about these bags. They have been a labor of love,
to say the least,
to get them done for you. But they are finally done. We are so excited to have them for you to have in your shops.